Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about JavaScript array methods and iterables. I am Anthony and I am from Loyola College, Chennai. Let's begin. So arrays. What are arrays? Array object allow you to store keyed collection of values. That's fine. But quite often we find that we need an ordered collection where we have a first, second and third element and so on. For example, we need that to store a list of something, users, goods, HTML elements, etc. etc. It is not convenient to use an object here because it provides no methods to manage the order of elements. We can't insert a new property between the existing ones. Objects are just not meant for such use. There exists a special data structure named array to store ordered collection. Array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time, as I already told. If you have a list of items as car names, for example, storing the cars in a single variable could look like this. See, variable car1 is equal to the name of the car1, variable car2 is equal to Volvo, variable car3 is equal to BMW. So this is very toughest method of evaluating the variables. So this is where the arrays are used. However, what if you look like loop? These cars are find a specific one. And what if you had three cars but 300? The solution is an array. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring an index number. The indexes start from 0 until number of and n minus 1 index. Creating an array. Using an array literal is the easiest way to create a JavaScript array. The syntax for creating an array is equal to variable, declare the array name is equal to into the parenthesis into the square bracket, we can declare the name of the given items. For example, in last slide we seen that the car three different cars are stored in three different variables, but here cars three different cars are stored in single variable. So there are two different types of syntaxes. Almost all time the second syntax is used. For example, it's given as here, say variable cars is equal to using the square brackets. We can also use array is equal to using new keyword, so that array will declared as a new keyword. So this is what the first type of declaration of array. We use array because we can use array methods. So there are different types of array methods: converting arrays to string, popping and pushing, shifting elements, deleting elements, splicing an array, merging an array, that is adding an array, and slicing, that we can slice an array into two or number of different types of one. So these are the methods that are used in array method. So let's see in detail what are these arrays and strings and what are the arrays methods are about. Converting arrays to string. The JavaScript method toString converts an array to a string of comma separated array values. For example, in the given example, variable fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. So using the document get element by id, the demo is .html is equal to fruits toString. So the inner HTML of the fruits will given as a result, that is banana, orange, apple, mango. So these were the inner HTML elements that are in the inside the fruits. A string can also be an object. Normally, JavaScript strings are primitive values created from the literals. For example, the first name is given as John, but string can also be defined as object with keyword new, as I already said. The first name is equal to new string, and within the parentheses they are given John. So, as I already said, the strings can be given as in two quotes or double quotes or single quotes. What is pushing and popping? So, as I already told, pushing is inserting element in the array, whereas popping is deleting the element in the array. When you work with arrays, it is easy to remove elements and add new elements. This is what popping and pushing is. Popping out of an array or pushing items into array is just you can use the word push and pop method. See here, variable fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple and mango. Fruits.pop. So the pop elements will remove element that are added latest to the array. So the last element that are added to the fruits is mango. So the mango will deleted from the fruit. So this is where the pop element is used. The push element is used where to insert the element into the array. If I give fruits dot push inside the parentheses, if I give for example grapes, it will insert banana, orange, apple, mango and grapes. So grape is the last element that is inserted into the fruits. So as I already told, push method adds a new element to an array at the end. See here, variable fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple and mango. The fruits start push inside the parentheses we are given kiwi, so kiwi is added into the fruits. So this is where the push element is used. So next, shifting element. Shifting is equal to popping, working on the first element instead of the last. Nothing but if I give pop, the mango will be deleted, for example in the given example. But if I give shift element, the banana will be removed from the fruits. The shift method remove the first array element and shift all other elements to the lower index. So the index of banana is 0, orange is 1, apple is 2, and mango is 3. If I remove banana, then the index value will become n minus 1. That is, orange becomes 0, apple becomes 1, and mango becomes 2. This is where the shift element is used. So deleting elements. Since JavaScript arrays are object, element can be deleted using JavaScript delete. So if I give delete fruits.0, the banana will be deleted because the 0 in the 0th index banana is there. So the orange will become 1, apple will become orange becomes 0, apple become 1, and mango become 2. So splicing an array. The splice method can be used to add new items into an array. For example, variable fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, and mango. If I give fruits.splice 2, 0, lemon and kiwi, lemon will be added in before apple, and kiwi will be added first because 0 is given for kiwi and 2 is given for lemon. So the order will be kiwi, banana, orange, lemon, apple, and mango. This is where the fruits will be written. Concatenation, that is merging. The concat method creates a new array by merging existing array. For example, in the variable my girl is equal to Leon and Cerise. My boy is equal to Emil, Tobias, and Linus. Variable my children is equal to my girls dot concat my boys. That means that my girls and my girls joined with my boys. Then the result will be Emil, Tobias, Linus, Cecil, and Lord. If I give my boys dot concat my girls, then my girls will be at first and my boys will be at last. Next, slicing an array. A slice method slices out a piece of an array into a new array, as I already told. This example slices out a part of an array that's starting from the element 1, that is orange. If I give slice 1, that orange will be sliced into different slices of different parts of this array, and stored in the variable citrus. So this is where the slicing of an array is. Iterables. Iterables are nothing but an object is generalized of an array. That concept allows us to make an object usable in, for, or of loop. Of course, arrays are iterable, but there are many other built-in objects that are iterable as well. For instance, strings are also iterable. If an object isn't technically an array but represents to collection of something, then for of is a great syntax to loop over it. So let's see how to make it work. Array.from. There is a universal method array.from that take an iterables or array like values and makes a real array from it. Then we can say call array methods on it. For instance, here the given array is like 0 for hello, 1 is for word, so the length is 2. So array.from array like, then if I print that array.pop, array.from at the launch takes an object, examines it for being an iterable or array like, then makes a new array and copies the items from it to it. So this is where the iterables is used, and this is what the array.form function. So in this session, we have seen about arrays, array methods, and iterables. So this is all about today's session, and I will see you in next session. Thank you.